I believe we're on part 5. We are building a coop for my neighbor Josh. In this episode, we're going to go over how we cut all of the holes for the windows in the nesting box. So basically, I bought the windows off of Amazon before I framed out this wall so I can measure them and make sure I had it framed perfectly for their size. Then we went inside and drilled the 4 corners and connected those on the outside using a Sharpie. And that gave us our line so that we can jigsaw the hole out. Of course, we made sure everything was perfectly level before we did this. And we fitted the windows in and it was actually perfect. Windows were actually pretty easy to install. You just need to leave room so you have something to screw into behind the window. It looks intimidating, but it's actually a very forgiving process, and these windows will have trim around them. So we did the same process for the nesting box. We just made sure to outline everything and make sure it was level before we cut the square out. Now this nesting box is a little bit different from mine. It doesn't hang out, it hangs to the inside, and I'm really bummed because I forgot to film the part where we actually built the nesting box. It was pretty simple, like a big rectangle with dividers, and you can make it as deep as you want. I think we went about 13 inches deep. And from the outside, there will be a drop-down door that latches so that you can collect eggs from the outside. We haven't cut the chicken door yet. I might actually do one, a regular door, and then one for an automatic coop door. That way, Josh has both options. Next up, we need to get everything trimmed out. Okay, bye.